If you hodl at least one Shiba Inu token, you cannot afford to miss this video. Shiba Inu CEO Satoshi just dropped a massive update on the recently launched Shibarium which went completely wrong that you just need to be aware of. So make sure to stick around for this one. Disclaimer. In a previous video, I mentioned that the dev team was looking to work with other professionals in the crypto scene to fix the issue with Shibarium. Well, one of the projects that came to Shiba Inu's aid was Polygon. The Polygon dev team definitely have experience with things like this because they have launched their own layer 2 platform. So it makes sense that they were on hand to help. Satoshi took his time to express his appreciation for the help, stating that quickly after the incident began, I called Sandeep from Polygon directly and without a second thought, he helped provide additional resources to ensure a perfect outcome to the situation. And that is why our pivot to fork Polygon was the correct one. The appreciation post is not the only thing that Satoshi has posted in recent times though. Satoshi also recently published what he calls the Shibarium scaling final update. To start with, he mentioned that Shibarium has gone live again, and it has been live for a while now. This would mean that whatever issue that made the launch unsuccessful has been fixed. Tell us in the comments section if you have been able to complete a transaction on the fixed Shibarium platform. Meanwhile, Satoshi mentioned in his update that even before the platform went live the first time, it had already managed to attract 65,000 wallets and complete 350,000 transactions. Now that Shibarium is officially launched, we can expect to see even more wallets and transactions. But aside from those, there have also been many crypto projects launched on Shibarium already. According to Satoshi, Shibarium is filled with a variety of tokens that range from random lighthearted stuff to substantial tokens. Of course, as the days and months progress, some of these tokens will fall off and some will manage to stay at the top and make their holders a lot of money. Knowing this, it is important that you take your time to do your research and check things out before putting your money on any of the tokens. Also, make sure to check out the companies that own the tokens that you're interested in. Aside from the new projects, SHIB Army has actually been going big on Shibarium. According to Satoshi, close to 20 million bone tokens have been staked on Shibarium already. 20 million. So people are actually quite enthusiastic about this platform. If you are one of those that have staked Bone though, you should know that there are time frames for withdrawals. For Bone, the withdrawal process might take up an entire week, just bear that in mind. To explain why withdrawal might take this long, Watcher Guru writes that Satoshi went on to clarify that this delay is not a glitch but rather an intentional feature implemented for security reasons. These measures have been instituted to provide users with a sense of security as their digital assets are transferred from one point to another. In spite of all this though, the price of SHIB has not responded positively. And this has been quite disappointing because one of the reasons that Shibarium was highly anticipated was because it was supposed to somehow boost the price of SHIB. Unfortunately, the failed launch has meant that things have not exactly been going as planned, even though the platform seems to have been fixed now. Well, the dev team is very well aware of this and has taken to reassuring the community. Lucy SHIB wrote this on Twitter. Why no moon? Why SHIB down, eh? SHIB's unstoppable spirit is real, but it rides the market's waves too. It's everywhere. Okay, a little bumpy now, but what about the bull market? Remember, thinking long-term matters. Short-term victories fade fast. Be positive. You've come too far to give up now, right? At this point, it seems like all that the Shiba Inu community has been doing is wait. We waited a long time for Shibarium to be launched, and now that it has been launched, we still need to wait for Shibarium to take SHIB to the moon. It could be quite disappointing. But at this point, there's not much of a choice. Plus, the fixed Shibarium seems to be doing well. We just have to wait for things to get good enough for the price of SHIB to start benefiting massively. If you found this really valuable, please drop a comment and share this video with friends. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm, thus helping me to keep increasing the quality of the videos. Meanwhile, CNBC market analysts predict that all spot Bitcoin ETFs will be approved this fall. For context, you might remember that BlackRock, one of the largest companies in the world, applied for a Bitcoin ETF a couple of weeks back. The SEC hasn't exactly approved any of those applications, so chances that BlackRock's application would be approved seemed bleak in spite of how influential the company is. However, CNBC market analysts are now saying that these ETF applications will be approved before the end of the year. Well, to be completely clear, the SEC is at a point where they need to make a decision on what it thinks about the crypto market, and that decision needs to be made by this fall. CNBC seems to think that even though SEC Chair Gary Gensler doesn't seem to be excited about cryptocurrency, the SEC would still make a decision in favor of the crypto market, leading to the approval of the ETFs. If this is true, it's awesome news. BlackRock getting its ETF approved would be a huge plus for the crypto market because it has a lot of money to inject into the crypto market. In addition, BlackRock getting its ETF application approved would mean that crypto would find itself on the stock exchange market, which would be a lot more exposure for the crypto market to people that are invested in traditional stock. That said, I think it is important that I remind everyone that there are no guarantees that the SEC will approve BlackRock's ETF application or will do that soon. This is just a prediction made by CNBC. So it is important to factor this in your investment plans and only make investments based on proper research. We can continue to hope that the application gets approved though, because it would be huge for the crypto market. While we wait for that to happen, the crypto market has been growing on its own, this time around in Turkey. But before we get into that, this channel has a daily giveaway of 100,000 SHIB. For a chance to participate in the giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave a comment below #ShibaInu. Good luck! A recent survey by KuCoin shows that more than half of adult Turkey residents, 52% to be precise, have ventured into crypto investments. This is about 12% more than the number of adults that were interested in the crypto market just 18 months ago. That's completely mind-blowing, and here's why. Considering the performance of the crypto market in the last year, one would expect that people would have been too scared to venture into the market. In fact, some people that were in the market before the struggles have pulled out. Meanwhile, in Turkey, there are hundreds of thousands of people that still believe in the viability of the crypto market. Imagine how many more people would venture into the market once the market actually enters a bullish run. Interestingly, Turkey is not just interested in cryptocurrencies in general, they also seem to be specifically interested in Shiba Inu. Recent data shows that Turkey has the most Google searches for Shiba Inu in the past 3 months. Behind Turkey is North Macedonia in second, Nigeria in third, and Pakistan in fourth. Interestingly, the United States is in 5th place. And I say this is interesting because the United States is not exactly the most conducive place for cryptocurrencies. In fact, in one of my recent videos, I talked about how the Biden-Harris administration has made moves to heavily regulate the crypto market. In spite of this, US residents have remained curious and probably even hopeful about crypto. It looks like they might manage to find a way around the restrictions if they are imposed. But I guess we'll have to wait and see. With that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then please like this video and leave a comment in the comment section. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, please share this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.